Hello again, my friends, and happy Monday once more. We already looked at our calendar and found out that our new pattern for the month is pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn, also known as AAB. And we are going to get to our calendar worksheets in just a moment, but I do want to quickly sing our two songs. First one is going to be our days of the week, and we sing this one 2 times through. So sing along with me. Be as strong in your voice as you can when we're singing this one together today. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job, my friends. I know we sung it a little bit different today, but sometimes I just like to add that extra practicing of the days of our week. So let's take a look now at our months of the year. We'll just sing this one time through, and remember it goes January, February, March. You've got it. All right, here we go in a nice loud voice. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. All right, that's it for our songs today. We're going to continue singing our word cheers in class. And for now, we're going to take a look at our calendar worksheet. We are actually going to start with the kindergarten calendar. So first and second graders, you have permission to fast forward, or you can watch this one with us if you'd like. It's up to you. Let me make you guys nice and level so that we can really see our calendar. And here is our word of the day, L-I-K-E, like. We'll sing that together again tomorrow. But first up, there we go. Now we can really see it. First thing we're going to do on our paper is write our names. I'm going to write mine over here, kind of by this cherry. Miss Mariko. And as soon as we get into class, I will teach you guys another little chant for putting our name on our paper. Ooh, we got a glare. Let me try to fix that. That's a little bit better. So the next thing we're going to do is practice writing October by tracing the letters very carefully up at the top, up in the title. And I love these silly pumpkins. Next up, we are going to trace an even smaller October to work on our handwriting and our spelling. We should be practicing getting inside of the lines as much as possible. And you might have guessed from doing calendar earlier that today is October 5th. Now we're going to write a 10 to represent the month of October in our first box. Then we're going to write our day. The number of the day is 5. And the last 2 digits of the year. Since it's 2020, we're going to write 20. This is always so fun on the first day of the week. Today is Monday. We're going to trace in that M and then do our best to make nice straight lines to go around the Monday box. There it is. For our pattern, I'd like to just quickly remind you that our pattern on our calendar is pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn, also known as AAB. So we are going to make an AAB pattern. down in our color pattern. So we're going to make it pretty simple today. We're going to do color, color, skip. Color, color, skip. Color, color. Now, let's make sure that it's right by writing the letters of the pattern above each one. We have A, B. Looks good so far. We have A, B. Yep, all the A's are colored and the B's are blank. And then we have A. What would come next if there was another circle? It would be a B, and it would be a skipped circle. So let's write A, B in our what kind of pattern box. And then check out our newest number. Our new number for the day is gonna be, drum roll please, the number 5. You guys guessed it. I sort of gave it away earlier when I accidentally said that was our number of the day. Or maybe it was here. We've got 5s all over this paper. And for our daily domino, I'm going to do a 1, 2, 3, making my dots look as nice and round as possible, plus 2 more equals 5. Now I could do the same thing here on the dice, or I could change it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to make a 4 on our die, our first die, and a 1 on our second one. And that adds us up. Oh, let me point you down a little bit further now that we're working closer to the bottom of the page. For our 10 frame, it's not the number 10. I can't just fill in every dot super duper fast. I'm going to have to count it out. Making nice dots on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is half of 10, so it makes sense that 5 is half of a 10 frame. Now we're going to put our number in the fancy circle, and then we're going to count on 1 more. So I have 5, and I need to count on 1 more. How many fingers am I holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and, oh, you can't see it, 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. I love how every symbol here represents a word that I can say like a number sentence. Now down on the very bottom row, we've got our tally marks. We're going to start at the dot and make a nice straight line down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross for 5. Here we have to put our pretty number of the day in the fancy circle. And then I have to think of 1 less and 1 more. So 1 less than 5 is the number 4. And then I can just count. 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's right. I already did. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So our math checks out. And we have been in school for 40 fabulous days. So that is our kindergarten homework, or not homework, calendar page for the day, work at home. Might as well call it homework. I'll give you a few more moments to pause me if you need to. If you need to pause and copy this, now is a good time to pause, because I'm going to flip it over and we're going to do 1st and 2nd grade calendar. Here we have it. I'm going to just pause for a moment here myself in case you're in 1st and 2nd grade and you're looking for a spot to stop fast forwarding. This is it. Hello, my 1st and 2nd grade friends. Welcome back if you skipped ahead. First thing that we are going to do is, of course, put our name on our paper. Miss Mariko. And I have to cover it up with my cherry magnet to hold the page up, but I want you to make sure that your name is on your page too. And then we're going to practice writing. We are going to write the name of the month. The name of the month is a noun. And it's a proper noun, so it gets capitalized. Oh my goodness, you have a glare. I'm sorry, my friends. Is that a little better? Less glary. So we will practice writing October again. A little bit smaller here. And I'll just remind you, if you need me to go slower at any time, you can just hit the pause button on me. If you need to rewatch something, go ahead and rewind me. Today is October 5th, 2020. And we write that in a nice short abbreviated way by writing 10-5-20, the last two digits of the year. It's 2020, so we write the 20 over here. Now, it's the first day of the week, and I'm going to start. I'm going to just try to get the glare the best here for you. That might be pretty good. We know that today is Monday, so we're going to start in that box, and then we're going to use our little trick. I don't really have to know what yesterday or tomorrow is. I just have to make sure that I check off the box that's in the same position. So I'm going to move over here and say, this is the box in the same position. Yes, yesterday was Sunday. And now over here, box that's in the same position. Yes, tomorrow is Tuesday. That makes sense. Now, I'll remind you from our work that we did with our calendar earlier, we have pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn as our pattern of the month, and that is known as an AAB pattern. So for our AAB pattern, we're going to use AAB numbers. Our first number is going to be 10. Now, I know I have to repeat the 10 because my A is repeated. So I have A, B. 10, 10. And our number here, the number of the day, number 5. Or the day number. Our number of the day is going to be a little different. And then we're going to repeat our pattern. So I'm going to help myself by writing AAB on top and make sure I'm doing my pattern correctly. 10, 10, 5. I bet you guys know what comes next in these last two boxes. We had AAB, AAB, and now we have AA. That's right. So I'll throw an AA up on top and write 10 and 10. Now, if I had another box right here, what would go on top and what would go inside? 10, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5. That's right. And we know that 5 is the B. So we're checking AAB, AAB, AAB. Got it right. Great job, my friends. All right, let's take a look a little lower on our page. I'll see if holding it up like so is any help for us. So our number of the day today is going to be the number 20. That is where's my hand, sorry. 2 groups of 10. There they are. 10 and 20, both hands. So I know that I can quickly do a shortcut and do 2 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I'm done. So quick. And that's just like our bundles of straws. We've got 10 and we've got 20. Super duper fast. Let's put 20 where we know it goes. We know it goes in that pretty box. We know it's going to go in our square box for our number bonds. And instead of putting 20 here, we're going to write 2 here. So we're going to use subtraction. Oh, they're changing it up on us. It's always been addition and now it's subtraction to find the number 2. If you want to do that on your own, pause me. Otherwise, I'm going to do my favorite dice, number 5. It's looking a little sloppy today because I'm working with a big marker. Number 5 minus the number 3. Ooh, I'm getting better already. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Checks out. Now, let's do our tallies. We're going to do 20 tallies, so hold on tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, cross for 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, cross for 15. Last set. 16, 17, 18, 19, and cross for 20. Now, do I have any tallies or any dots that don't have a buddy to pair up with? Nope, everybody has somebody to pair up with. So if there's no odd men out, then that must mean it's an even number. And I am going to even trace in the word even. Practice my writing. Let's see, if you haven't already done what comes before 20, what's 1 less than 20? What's 20 minus 1? That's right, 1 less than 20 is 19. What's 1 less than 19? You're right, it's 18. And what's 1 less than 18? 1 less. Yeah, you got it, it's 17. I know. You guys are smart. For our number bonds, you can come up with your own. There's so many. 19 plus 1, 18 plus 2, 17 plus 3, even. So many numbers. But I'm going to do 10 and 10 because you guys know how much I love skip counting by tens. So I'm going to do 10 and 10. We counted our straws in class earlier. We have been in school for 40 days. And for our daily domino, I'm just going to copy my dice. I'm going to do 5 and 3. But this time, instead of subtracting, I'm going to add them. 5. Put 5 in my head and then count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. My daily domino today is 8. And then I am going to color up the thermometer. We're going to start at freezing. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. It's snowing. It's blizzarding. I can't leave my house. Super duper cold. It's come up to 0. We're still freezing. There's 10 degrees. We're still coloring. 20 degrees. And finally, when we get to 32 degrees, well, technically 33 is above freezing. But it's not freezing. It's pretty warm out, so we're going to keep going all the way up. Here's the 70-degree line, and I'm going to say it's a little bit warmer than 70. So there you have it, my friends. That is our completed 1st and 2nd grade calendar. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow on our Zoom call.